I want to thank everyone for coming out to Montrose Saloon tonight. We really appreciate you supporting live music in town. With places like Quenchers going out and Township, it means that there's got to be, well, there doesn't have to be anything, but hoping to fill some gaps. And if you play music, let me know. Maybe we get you in here if we can. I want to say that the Imperial Sound was really good. Really nice songs. And sounded great. So thanks guys for playing. Appreciate that. And thanks for coming to hear me all. So this is my particular pleasure. When I was growing up in Michigan in the 70s and into the early 80s, there was a band from Detroit called the Romantics, which I was really into them. I was super into the Romantics because they were like the Beatles, but they wore red rather than black leather. And later on, I got to be real good friends with the gentleman sitting behind the drum kit, Brad Elvis, and he's like, oh, I play drums for that band now. That's just cool karma or something. Anyway, it's really nice to be able to introduce Brad and Chloe, Allison, Emily, and Jeff. Sorry. Little high on the marijuana. That's true. All right. So for your listening pleasure, the Handcuffs.